Hi guys, I'm Gabby and welcome to my channel. And if you're returning, thank you so much and welcome back. So, guess what? Can you guess? You've already seen it in the title, so I don't know why I'm being silly. Baby girl's visa petition got approved. Yay! My husband and I are both very excited and happy that we got the approval and made it through stage 1 with USCIS. So, I was at work on this past Monday, June 6, 2022. I got an alert from the app on my phone, and the update was basically saying that USCIS was actively reviewing my case as of June 3rd. But this was quite odd to me because we had already gotten this same alert of our case being actively reviewed in February of 2022, so earlier this year. So although it seemed odd, at the same time, it felt promising because this led me to believe that we were probably going to get an approval soon. But guys, I was not expecting an approval hours later. So at the end of my work day, that same day, June 6th, I got another alert saying that the case was approved. You guys, I was so excited. Even though I was on my way home, I picked up the phone and immediately called my husband because I wanted to share the news with him. So let me go over our timeline again. We submitted our petition for our daughter online in August of 2021. Then 7 months later, we received an update about the case being actively reviewed. So this was February 2022. That will be February of this year. So again, this was like 7 months later after submitting the petition. And we also checked the processing times, and from the information we received for processing times for our service center, which is the Potomac Service Center, it was saying that we wouldn't receive anything until about 13 months. So we weren't expecting to hear anything back about the approval until August of this year. However, the total time to get our petition approval took us about 10 months. We got our update of it being actively reviewed 7 months from the date of submission, which was February of 2022. And then 3 months later, June of this year, 2022, we got our approval. So guys, make sure you check out those processing times for USCIS so it can help give you guys an idea of how long you can expect to get your petition approval. So what are our next steps? Well, now that we completed stage 1, we're moving on to stage 2 with the National Visa Center. So now we're just waiting to get our welcome letter from NVC, which will most likely be an email telling us what we can expect next and what our next steps are. Since I've already been through this with my husband, I kind of know what to expect. So the next steps will look like paying additional fees, filling out the DS-260, and then the adjustment of status, and of course submitting civil documents. And all of this will be done through the NVC website, which is the CAAC website. So once we submit all of our things through that website and NVC reviews it and approves it, then they will get with the embassy in Ghana to schedule our interview. I will do a video and walk you guys through the NVC process of submission so you guys can see what to expect and how to do it. So the only differences thus far I've seen with petitioning for a spouse versus a child is I did not submit any evidence regarding the relationship with my daughter other than the proof of our relationship with her birth certificate and then our marriage certificate because she's my stepdaughter. I did not submit any additional photos, any type of evidence because it wasn't requested other than the birth certificate and the marriage certificate to show proof of relationship. There wasn't anything else that I really needed to submit. This petition for my daughter was very easy and very straightforward. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. We are approved. We have officially made it through stage 1. Now we move on to stage 2 with NVC. And as promised, I will take you guys along. So once we get the welcome letter or the welcome email from NVC, I will notify you guys. And I plan to do a video of me on the website filling out the applications, showing you everything so you'll have an idea of what to expect. I just think that this would be good to be able to see it firsthand, so once it's your turn it'll be familiar to you and hopefully it'll help make it easier for you to do this part for yourself. The website, like I said, I've done it before with my husband, is very user friendly and it's easy to navigate, but I think just having a quick view of it beforehand would definitely be helpful for a lot of you guys. So I will do that for you. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Just click that button at the bottom. That's all it takes. And click the the bell icon as well, so you'll get notified when I do update that next video. Again, guys, I really appreciate you guys for taking your time out to watch my videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All right, bye.